Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and the right tools. Clear the work area and remove interior trim panels that cover seal ends. This exposes clips and the bead. Use a plastic trim tool to pry the seal loose from the flange. Apply steady pressure to avoid scratching paint. Once you have 2-3 inches free, slide a finger behind the seal to feel for clips or adhesive. Make sure to note orientation. The old seal is your installation template. Now you tackle the midsection where clips and adhesive live. You release metal retainers one at a time with pliers while supporting the nearby trim so it won't shift. For glued sections, warm the seal lightly to soften the glue. Once pliable, peel steadily. If the seal resists, cut it into shorter lengths to remove without bending flanges. Remove old adhesive residue with solvent and a plastic scraper because clean surfaces ensure the new seal bonds properly. You finish by test-fitting the new seal along the entire flange. Align the bead and press into place so clips engage or adhesive contacts evenly. Start at a corner and work around, pushing firmly but evenly to avoid twists. Trim excess with scissors and reinstall trim panels. Once done, allow adhesive to cure before closing frequently. If you notice gaps or leaks later, reseat that section, add a small bead of automotive adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.